Well, it is day 27 of the February Follies. There's only 2 pieces of paper left in here. It's feeling naked. Oh, okay. Pretzel pour. Okay, here we go. For our colors today, I have Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep, nice and thick. I have Soho Phthalo Green. I have PBO Iridescent Green Yellow. Amsterdam Brilliant Blue. Amsterdam Titanium White. And PBO Iridescent Orange Yellow. These are colors I do not usually use, but I wanted to do something a little different. I think it'll be all right. So here we go. This is our base color. Save a little of that for the corners. Just mixed these up, so we're probably gonna have some bubblage. Okay, let's move this. Let's get this cup layered. Now, it only takes about 7 ounces of paint. I guess I've said that about 56 times, huh? Yeah. So first we're gonna start with our orange. White. Blue. Greenish yellow, or green yellow. And our phthalo green. Okay. Put that to the side. Pull this back. Okay. Got this a little fuller than I might have liked. So I'm going to make myself a little, not really a spout so much as just an edge. And I'm going to commence to pouring.
In the dark, far from the harbor, far from the start, in a storm, I lost my sails, I lost all direction, got caught in the veil. I didn't know.
Not much orange.
Love, till you found me. I didn't know love, lost in the sea.
And we got a little orange. That's good. And of course we're gonna have flipping cells, which I really didn't want, but oh well. Torch. Okay, I already see something I don't like, so I'm gonna go about pulling that This is a big old blob. But we can get part of that off the bottom probably. So let's put some of these yellows on the corners.
I didn't know love till you found me. I didn't know love till you set me free. Didn't know love.
All right. Let's go tilting. Actually, let's just one more time.
Didn't know love. She was sinking, falling fast. So I abandoned ship, held on the mast in the ocean, wild and loud. I was just waiting, I was drifting out. I didn't know love till you found.
That orange just bubbled right up on that. That's weird. Huh.
I didn't know love, lost in the sea. I didn't know love till you found me. I didn't know love till you set me free. Didn't know love. 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 I didn't know love. How do I say goodbye? Caroline, heaven knows I'd stay, but I have to run. Here calling my name, life won't be the same, 'cause she's worth more than all the gold in Mississippi. So I'm leaving now. Don't know if I'll come back around. I'm going out to find her now, even if I bleed on the pavement. Caroline,
All Alright, I'm going to clean this up a little bit and I'll bring y'all down for a look. Okay, here are our wet results. Now, I thought that by keeping these colors nice and thick, I would not get cells. I would not get a ton of blending. But guess what? But that's okay. I can see all the colors. They're all representing. And it's funny because I thought, oh man, there's hardly any orange on here. And really, I mean, you saw it. There wasn't much. But look how she poofed up on us. That's cool. I'm glad. You know what this reminds me of, kind of, is a view from the roots of springtime plants looking up at the sky and the sun. I think it's kind of neat. Doesn't really look much like I thought it would, but you know what? I'm all right with that. It's okay. It's kind of cool. I like it. So yeah, let's go on for those sparklies. Okay, yep, we're bound to have some because we have both that iridescent orange yellow and the iridescent green yellow, which is going to give us lots of sparklies. Not lots, but quite a bit. And it seems like everything is repping itself very well. There is no gold in here. There is no pearl mix with the white. It's literally just the orange and the green. The green yellow. I'm standing here looking over at my paint cups going, am I right? This seems like a lot of sparklies. And it is. That's cool. So yeah. I love these little orange blobbits. I think they're so cool. I don't know. Something about this one just it grabs me. Maybe it's the unusual use of color because, you know, these aren't really my wheelhouse colors, as it were. But I think they did good. So I'd like to thank y'all for coming by and spending your sweet and precious time with me today. It is very much appreciated. I just can't believe how many of y'all have stuck around and been here every day. That is the coolest. Now remember, you guys, all these paintings are for sale. The information's in my description box. And yeah, so anyway, if you haven't already, if you're welcome, if you're new here, welcome. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I get back to you. I always do. And yeah, there's always that hype thing going around if you'd like to do that. So maybe it's lily pads on a pond. I don't know. Anyway, thanks so much again. And I will see you one more time tomorrow.
I've been wandering through the